Net and plan is working as per the requirements and help me to do the apply part, because in apply there is a chance like if some resources does not exist in the brain board, so that will be created or deleted after applying the apply, right? Hmm. You are not on your laptop. Hmm. Okay. So can you see this archive, zdev prod, all these things, staging test? So this is all the brainboard branch where we have all the things. Mhm. Because currently I'm involved in so many things, so I'm not getting time to this. So this is all the files and everything. So are you able to help on this, or you will going to help, or somebody else will going to work on this? Mhm. Okay. Mhm. So I hope you did before these things. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, the task is fine. I am okay with it. But but the thing is, I want all these things to be done. Like, how much time do you want? Which I told you. One piece of, like, for prod, we I don't have get approval yet. So for POC, we will try. For POC, we can do. Hmm. All files. Mhm. Yes. So basically, code is already there. You can see everything is there. You just need to create an environment. Like, let me show you one thing. So if you can see, I created the Australia staging part where I have configure file, main file on this one. And this is our main branch from where we need to take source downloaded for the new resource, and then we need to create any resource we want. Hmm. So there are two tasks. There are two tasks. One is we need to create new resources using this source code, and second is we need to apply IaC, which is already exist using Terraform. So these are the two tasks. And for existing codes are already written. Hmm. Yes. Okay. So my plan is to you just guide me. I will do. So for example, if you can tell me like how much time it will take, like it will take around 3 hours, 5. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 3 days means 3 days into 8, or like how many hours you require? It is approximately 4 hours. And then how will you charge it? 500 per hours, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 4,000. So in 4,000, you what task you will do? The new resources one or the existing resources one? Okay. But if something got stuck or what got exacted in, amount is okay. Like I know you will not ask for the whole amount, but if something goes wrong. Mhm. Okay, for example, let me give you a small task. For example, I need to create web app. Web app. Okay. So I will give you the instructions like what is the application name, all these things, and I want to create it through the Terraform. So how much I would there is a, if you can, so that is what I'm said. So if you can start with that, I got some clarity from your side. You also get clarity what needs to be done if you're okay with it. So what information you required to create a web app? One second. Let me show you the code once. So these are the web apps which is already created. Okay. So now I want to create them on DR for Europe.